Hello, hi, good morning, my dear students. This is your biology teacher Shivani Dikshit from CPV and online classes. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss about the chapter number 2, second, that is tissues. And in this, your syllabus contains type of tissues, plants and animals. Means you have to study two types of tissues separately, animal tissue and plant tissue. And your scope of syllabus is location, structure, function, typical examples of their location, role in physiological process in the plants and animals. Means these terms you have to focus over that. Let's start with its introduction. What is tissue? A simple two lines, two words definition: group of cells. The body of a multicellular organism may have three tiers. Tier means three type organization leading to division of labor. Name tissue was given by Bychett. Study of tissue is called histology. Histology is introduced first by Mayer. First tissue is evolved in Coelenterata. Right? This is the introduction. Now let's define or differentiate the tissues. There are main two types of tissues: simple tissue and compound tissues. Simple tissue, they are having similar structure, function and origin. And compound tissue, more than one type of simple tissues, so they are known as compound tissues. They are having more than one type of simple tissues. If we move to the topic plant tissue, then we have to discuss in this plant tissue classification of its two types, that is meristematic and permanent. Let's understand what is meristematic and permanent. Students, this classification is also given in your book. So, if you are not capable to understand this classification from my writing, so go to the book and note it down fairly from the book. Plant tissue classification, you have to note it down by the book. If you are understanding my handwriting, then you can note it down by my PDF file. So before understanding, let's move to the plant tissue classification. Plant tissue classification, it has two types: meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Here I would like to define you what is meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissues are immature dividing cells. They are also known as totipotent and capable of division. Totipotent means capable, totipotent means capable of division. And if we define the permanent tissue, the cells are mature and incapable of division. Two differences are there. They are capable in division and they are not capable in division. Let's understand meristematic tissue from this, that is responsible for the growth of plant, present in growing region, that is tips of roots and shoots. Tips of root and shoot means, if we consider that this is a root, so it is the tip of root. And if we consider that this is the shoot, means stem. Shoot means stem. So there is the tip of shoot. So meristematic tissues are present on the tip of the root, shoot, and on the root. So they are also present in the cambium. that is thickness or girth of the this part, stem, right? Here is the diagram of the location. It is a plant body, and here is the location of the different meristematic tissues. There are three different type of meristematic tissues: apical meristem, intercalary meristem, and lateral meristem. If we understand it by the help of the diagram, then apical means the top region, intercalary means the in between, intermediate, and lateral means the this type, lateral. Here we will understand that what are the main functions of the meristematic tissue: to form new cells, increase in the length and girth of the plant, means length and girth of the plant, height and width. It is due to the meristematic tissues. Let's understand its characteristics. They are similar in structure: small, thin-walled, spherical, oval, polygonal or rectangular, contain nucleus, and dense. Cytoplasm vacuoles are generally absent. They are living and have cell division in this, right? This is the investigation. If you want to observe the meristematic tissue, so you can take 1 or 2 glass of water and take a onion bulb and just keep the onion on the top of the glass of water. What you observe, so you can make it down. What the changes are there, you can write these changes in your observation copy. So dear student, I think in this video I will only explain meristematic tissue. In my next video we will discuss over the permanent tissue. Here I have given the graphical representation of the meristematic tissue. If you want to note it down separately in your copy about the meristematic tissue, then meristematic tissues, they are of three types: apical, lateral, intercalary, right? Hope you like the video. Thank you and have a nice day.